We're PuroClean of Central Southwest Houston. We know Houston, its weather, its neighborhoods, and the challenges property owners face when damage happens. Our team specializes in water, fire, mold, and emergency services, always putting people first. We're dedicated to serving our local communities and responding fast with the care and expertise Houston expects. Founded in 2001, PuroClean is a fast-growing franchise network of over 500 independently owned and operated locations. With a commitment to respond within 2 hours, PuroClean professionals are thoroughly screened, insured, and trained to use the latest restoration technology to deliver high-quality results with speed, compassion, and care. We work quickly and professionally to restore both homes and peace of mind.